What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have built this program which show a straight line which is a uniform, and then we have created a random data using the numpy as well as panda to create a random data. So in this video we will create a graph which shows the temperature. So for that what you have to do is go to description and download this XML file, and if you try to open this file, let me just open it, wait for it to download. Okay, it has been downloaded. Let's open it. Okay, so it have 1 2 3 4 5 6 attributes. uh, Here is the date, month, etc, etc. It is R, and it is temperature and pressure. So we will plot a graph. We will first extract this temperature and then extract this pressure, and from these two attributes we will create a graph. So install this and put it in the same directory where you have opened the Jupyter notebook. And after that what you have to do is, where is the file? Yep, here. And then you have to first import pandas. Put pandas here. And after that you have to import the this same as that of the previous one. After that we'll create a data frame where we will extract this file. For that what you have to do is pandas dot read excel file. We want to read the excel file, and here you have to put the link of that excel file. Let me just copy that. Okay, let me just paste it here. Yep, I got the link. And I have to type the sheet number which I want to take, and I want to the first sheet. That's why I will put the index 0. And after that if I put this df, let's see what we get. Print df. Okay, we get nothing. Let's put it for next time. The next thing what you have to do is, okay, we got that here. It was taking some time, but we got that. Here you can see it is that the same XML file. And let's do the other thing. We just want this temperature and pressure, so we will extract these. For that what you have to do is, from this variable we will extract the temperature. And then the one thing guys, you know that in graphs we have some units. The one to we divide the units in sets. Let's say for example 5, 10, 15, 20. So in this way we will divide this also. So we will divide it into set of 10, unit of 10, sorry. So for that what you have to do is df df temperature, and then divide it by 10. Do the same for pressure. pressure pressure equals to df pressure, then divided by 10. Yep, it's working fine now. Then what we will do is we will create a figure, we will create a window where we will put these graphs. For that, let's name it figure equals to figure. And in this figure, first we have to set the length as well as width. For that, you have to use a method called width. Plot width equals to, let it be 500, and plot height equals to, let's say, 400, and tool equals to, we want pen. I will tell you when I will show you the graph. I will tell you what is this pen tool. And after that, guys, let's fig dot, let's name, give the title for the graph. For that, title dot text equals to, then give the title, sorry for that sound, TMPE, temperature and pressure graph. And in the next line, let's give the title dot text color, let it be, let's say, gray. After that, let's give the font to the title, figure dot title dot text font equals to, let's say, Arial. Then let's give the style, font style, we want it as bold or something else. For that, what you have to do is title title dot text font style equals to bold. Then what you have to do is, let's remove the lining from the graph. Let me show you what are these linings. You can see we are getting these lines here. We want to remove this. For that, and one more thing, guys, where is that graph? Oops, let me run it again. The tools, these are the tools. The pen is this tool, and there are some other name for that, I will tell you later. But let's focus on this. Due to Diwali, some people are talking, I don't know, just ignore it, guys, sorry for that. Figure dot x axis dot x axis label, label equals to, then give the name for the label. First we will give the name, let's say TMPE temperature. Oops, TEMPE temperature. And let's do the same with the y-axis, figure dot y axis dot axis label equals to pressure. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. In the next part, I will show you some other attributes to do. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.